Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Leon from Toca Boca. So let's get started. To draw cute Leon, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to start with a circle. And I'm going to come right across, a little bit wider, say about right here, and draw another circle. And then I'm going to come to the top right here in the corner and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye, and I'm just going to lightly draw an oval above each eye for the brow. There. And then we're going to come in between the eyes, and so about right here, we're going to draw another oval, but vertical this time, for the nose. And then underneath that, let's give Leon here a cute smile. So come right about here, cap it off, and draw a curve. There. From there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye, come out nice and wide. I'm just going to give him a cute, wider face. So about right here, same thing. And we're just going to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come down and go around. So come down and around. And I'm going to find my center. So I'm just going to say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw this curve to finish off his face. There's just a nice big curve. Then from there, let's see here, we need to start to draw his hair. So let's come about right here, and we're going to start to slant in. Let's go in. This side is going to go up, straight up. And then, let's see here, and then on this side, we're going to slant in. So now we're going to be using this space right here to draw his hair. So it's a bunch of long curves. So I'm going to start about right here at a slant. I'm going to draw one big curve, and then we're going to bring one down below his brow. And then we're going to start to go this way. So we're going to draw another one here close to his brow. And one more right here that's going to come into this space right here. And so then whatever space you have left, just draw a little slant to finish it off. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and we need to come back into this space right here. And going to continue this angle, so you kind of want to angle it out, and then about right here we're just going to wobble a little bit for the sides of his head. So same thing here, just kind of wobble, and then let's pop in an ear in this space right here and here. There. So we just want to know where the size of his head is, so let's make it about the same on level both sides. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to finish this part off. So we're going to bring this out. So now that I know this is where his side of his head is, I'm just going to go past it a little bit and bring it in. Same thing here, just pass it a little bit and bring it in. So now that we have these two, we're going to go ahead and connect it. So just kind of go in, and then we're going to round it off at the top. Right about here. Oops. And then just kind of taper it down. There. Okay, and then we have to keep going. So just imagine this curve going through. So about right here. And here, just imagine this is going through. Oops, sorry. About right here. And just going to draw a big curve towards the top. So this is going to be for his hat, his beanie, and just bring it down to connect everything. There. And then we can come to the center of this beanie about right here. Just draw some lines so we know it's a hat. There. Okay, so I think the most complicated part is this part right here, right? So hopefully I kind of helped you draw that a little bit easier. There. Now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So come to the center. We're just going to give him a little neck right in the center. Then from there, we're going to surround it with this oval for his hoodie. Just go around, and then we're going to thicken it up. Then from there, we're going to bring it down. So let's go ahead and curve and angle this long shirt. So it's going to be going down, just say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off. Then let's work on his leg. So just 2 straight lines. So I'm going to say about right here and here. Just want to center it. 2 lines, and then let's bring this down more and then pop this part out for his foot. So same thing here, go down, and then we're just going to pop it out for his foot. So then for some details on the shoe, let's go ahead and cut this part off. I'm going to come here and up, and then 2 little curves right here for some laces. And the socks, and then for his pants, I believe there's like these lines right here for some detail. So same thing here. There. Once again, we're going to cut it off. We're going to go down and up, and 2 lines right here for his shoes. Then now let's go ahead and draw his arms. So we're going to pop this part out for a sleeve. Keep going down. We're going to continue to say about right there, and then let's pop out his hand, thumb, and fingers. So same thing over here. So you just drag some points across. Just want approximately the same height on both side. So it's about here, and then the thumb will be about right there, and the fingers there. Okay, so then now for some details on his shirt. Right here, we're just going to draw a little curved line right in the center, and on these 2 sides it's going to be this little what do you call that, the cord for his hoodie. So just curve, and then it's gonna come to a little oval and another curve right there, and then in the center is this logo right here. So I'm gonna come right here and draw this cone hat that's sitting on top of an eye right there, and kind of this cross, rounded off cross shape right in the center, and then we're going to draw a circle right underneath it, and there's going to be another circle for the eye, and 1 more. But before I finish it, I'm going to come right here and draw another circle for highlight and shade this all in. So a lot of little details, but hopefully I'm helping you with this, making it a little bit easier. But I believe that is pretty much it here for my drawing of Leon from Toca Boca. I really hope you loved this drawing, that helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Cute videos. See you later.